welcome to my Vodcast. It's me, your host, Generos Tavas. So for this video, I'll be discussing about logarithmic functions. So let's start.
General mathematics. Logarithmic functions is one of the topic of general mathematics subject in grade 11 senior high school. Like I said, our topic that I'll be discussing is logarithms. So what does logarithms means? When we say logarithms, it is the inverse of exponential functions. For additional information, when we say exponential functions, it is the functions wherein the independent variable x serves as the exponent of the base. So next is the exponential form into logarithmic form. So here is the y is equal to b raised to x into here. Read as the logarithm of y to the base of b is equal to x. Let's move on to the two types of logarithms. First is the common logarithms. It means that the logarithm to the base of 10. For example, logarithm of 5 to the base of b is equal to 1. When it comes to common logarithms, it should be written as log. Next is the natural logarithms. It means that the logarithm to the base of e. Example, natural logarithm of 5 to the base of e is equal to 1. In natural logarithms, it is written as ln. There it is. Examples, 16 is equal to 4 raised to 2, written as the logarithm of 16 there to the base of 4, this is the base, is equal to 2, the exponent. Example number 2, 4 raised to 3 is equal to 64, written as logarithm of 64 to the base of 4 is equal to 3, the exponent. Last example, 5 raised to negative 3 is equal to 1 over 125, written as logarithm of 1 over 125 to the base of 5 is equal to negative 3, the exponent. Let's move on to the solve for x, y, b on logarithms. Solve for x. Example number 1. Logarithm of 9 to the base of 27 is equal to x plus 1. This should be written or convert into exponential function, written as this. 27 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 9. We know that 3 to the third power is equal to 27. Then copy as it is. Equal to 3 squared, because 3 squared is equal to 9. Then cancel. 3 times x is equal to 3x plus 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Then equal to 2. And then 3x, this will be transpose. So it becomes 2 minus 3. When you transpose, the sign will be changed. It will, if positive, then it becomes negative. And then, next, simplify. 3x is equal to negative 1 because 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. Then, divide it by 3. Cancel, cancel, then x is equal to negative 1 over 3. So, the answer for this example number 1 is x is equal to negative 1 over 3. So the x is negative 1 over 3. Example number 2. Solve for y. Logarithm of y to the base of 5 is equal to negative 2. Convert again into exponential form. So it becomes y is equal to 5 raised to negative 2. When you have a negative exponent, we should reciprocal it, so it will become y is equal to 1 over 5 squared. When you reciprocal the negative exponent, it will become positive. So, simplify again. Y is equal to 1 over 25 because 5 squared is 25. So, the value of y is equal to 1 over 25. Next is the solve for b. Logarithm of 4 to the base of b is equal to 1/2. So, it will convert into exponential form. It will written as b raised to 1/2 is equal to 4. We should extract this the exponent into 2 so that it will be cancel the exponent. So, cancel, cancel, it will become b is equal to 4 squared is 16. So, the value of b is 16. Next, let's move on to the laws of logarithms. First, unit law. The logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. It means that logarithm of 1 to the base of b is equal to 0. Next, base law. The logarithm to the base is 1. So, it means logarithm of b to the base of b is equal to 1. Next, product law. Logarithm of x, y to the base of b is equal to logarithm of x to the base of b plus logarithm of y to the base of b. Remember, when it is multiplication, addition will be applied. Next, quotient law. Logarithm of x over y to the base of b equal to logarithm of x to the base of b minus logarithm of y to the base of b. Again, remember, if it is division, subtraction will be applied. Next, power law. Logarithm of x raised to y to the base of b is equal to y logarithm of x to the base of b. The power should be written before the logarithm. Next, root law. Logarithm of y root of x to the base of b is equal to logarithm of x to the base of b over y. Here it is. So now let's move on to the logarithmic equation. Logarithmic equation is an equation in which involves unknown quantity in the logarithmic expression. Type 1. Changing expanded into single with indicated base. Example, logarithm of 2 to the base of 2 plus logarithm of x minus 3 to the base of 2 is equal to 3. So we will convert this into exponential functions. Remember that in exponential functions, it is y is equal to b raised to x. The b represents as the base. The exponent represents as the x. So here, this is the y, the 2 and then x minus 3. Then the base is this 1. And then the exponent is this 1 or exponent or the x. So, convert it into exponential functions, it will become 2 times x minus 3. Why is it times? Because remember, it is addition. When it is addition, it is multiplication. When it is multiplication, it is addition. It's equal to 2 the base raised to 3 the x. Simplify. 2 times x, 2x minus 2 times 3, 6 is equal to 2 raised to 3 is 8. Transpose. It will become 2x is equal to 8 plus 6. It is negative, so it will become positive when you transpose. Simplify again. 2x is equal to 8 plus 6 is 14. Divide it by 2 so that it will be cancelled. Cancel. That it will remain as x is equal to 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Next, type 2 single expanded form. Example, logarithm of 5x squared plus logarithm of 3x is equal to 4. So logarithm of 5 plus, remember, it is multiplication, so it must be addition. Logarithm of 5 plus 2, again, remember that the power must be written before the log. 2 log of x plus log of 3 plus log of x is equal to 4. And then combine those who have the same variable, like 2 log of x and then log of x. It is automatically that there's a 1 here, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Log of x is equal to 4. Transpose the log of 5 and log of 3. So when you transpose, the sign will be changed. So it will become 4 minus log of 5 minus log of 3 divided by 3. So it will be cancelled. Log of x is equal to 4. Input this on your calculator, log of 5. Then the answer will be 0.6990. Just get 4 decimal places. Minus, again, input this on your calculator. The answer will be 0.4771 over 3. Input this on your calculator, and then the answer will be 0.9413, just 4 decimal places. And then again, your calculator, press shift log, input this one. The answer will be 8.7357. Next, type 3 log equation using exponential forms. Example, natural log of 9 raised to 4x plus 3 is equal to natural log of 8 raised to x minus 3. So remember that the power must be written before the natural log. So it will become 4x plus 3 times natural log of 9 is equal to x minus 3 times natural log of 8. And then distribute. it will become 4x natural log of 9 plus 3 natural log of 9 is equal to distribute x natural log of 8 minus 3 natural log of 8. And then combine those who have the same variable. For x natural log of 9, transpose this one, positive, it will become negative. Minus x natural log of 8 is equal to, transpose this one, positive, it will become negative. Negative 3 natural log of 8 minus 3 natural log of 8. And then simplify to simplest form, x times 4 natural log of 9 minus natural log of 8 is equal to negative 3 natural log of 8 minus 3 natural log of 9 divided by 4 natural log of 9 minus natural log of 8. This will be cancelled. And then x is equal to, input this on your calculator. This one, negative 3 natural log of 8. Just input this one in your calculator. Then the answer will be this one. Just 4 decimal places, remember. And then simplify. The final answer will be negative 1.9122. Next, type 4 log equation with exponential log or natural log. Example, natural log of 6 raised to 5x plus 2 to the base of 15 is equal to x plus 3. Remember that this is the base, so 15 raised to x plus 3, this is the exponent, right? Is equal to 6 raised to 5x plus 2. And then we have to write this, the power before the natural log. So x plus 3 times natural log of 15 is equal to 5x plus 2 times natural log of 6. And then distribute x natural log of 15 plus 3 natural log of 15 is equal to distribute 5x natural log of 6 plus 2 natural log of 6. And then divide both sides into natural log of 15 minus 5x natural log of 6. This one you transpose this one because they have the same variable, so positive it will become negative, and then this one you transpose and then it become negative. So this one, put this in your calculator, input this, and their values or the answer will be this one. Simplify it, the final answer is 0.7264. Try it to your calculator. Last type 5 using 10 and E. Example, 10 raised to 3x minus 8 is equal to 7. Remember that 10 is the log. Okay, the common log. So 3x minus 8 is equal to log of 7. And then divide this into 3, but transpose this first, so it will become positive. 3x is equal to log of 7 plus 8. So cancel. Try to input this on your calculator, the log of 7, then this is the value. Then simplify. This is the answer, 8.8451 over 3. Simplify again, then the answer is 2.9484. Next, E raised to 3x minus 8 is equal to 7. Remember that E is represented as the natural log or ln. So 3x minus 8 is equal to natural log of 7. Again, transpose this one. 3x is equal to natural log of 7 plus 8 divided by 3. So x is equal to input this on your calculator, then the value is 1.9459 plus 8. Simplify, then the final answer is 3.3153. So that's the end of my slide and report.
So guys, that's all for my video. I hope you've learned a lot from it. Again, this is your host, Generous Tavas, an education student of Dimsu SLU. Thank you for watching.